Welcome to another video. So this will be a follow-up for the Mecanum wheel. This will be within Tripo 3D. So this is from a video that I uploaded roughly, let's say, 9 months ago. And we're gonna see if the tool is now able to output some better radial pattern in this case. Now I also compared this with Hiton 3D and Rodin, and we see that in some cases those tools didn't actually manage to output that radial symmetry. Now this will be the case study. We're gonna have also single image and also multi-image input. If I'm gonna go over here information, we're gonna see that for this we have front, back, left and right. And this will be the output, and as we can see, the pattern is really smooth in this case. If I'm going to disable the texture, we're going to see that the radial array is really well defined. So compared to other generative AI tools, this is one of the best outputs in terms of symmetry, especially since this kind of pattern is not that simple to replicate. We're going to have over here another model. As you can see, for this one as well, I use the front, back, left and right view. And the pattern over here is also well defined, as you can see. Now this mesh is defined by quads, as we can see. And I also made some using a single image input. In this case, we have this reference. And take a look over here. Tripo actually managed to output good results over here. So those rollers are really well patterned around the middle component. So considering that this was generated using a single image input, I do consider that Tripo outputs some really good models. We have also the following. So as you can see, again, the pattern. Okay, so this one doesn't actually maintain that pattern. You see over here with this roller, it's slightly shifted. But let me just open the previous one. I'm just gonna move around. We see that they are better defined over here. Now, previously within my comparison, I also explored over here other tools, for example, Hiton 3D, and we saw how poorly Hiton 3D managed to output those. Even over here, if the geometry is quite complex, we see that the overall pattern wasn't really handled properly over here by Hiton 3D. Now, from what I've compared, I do consider that Tripo is one of the best for the moment, and considering that it also managed to output incredible models over here for the Mecanum wheel, I do think that they have sorted the algorithm the best in this case. And we can also further go into generating individual components for this. Now, we are still a long distance from having those models similar to CAD models like we have over here within Fusion, but we are slowly starting to close the gap between generative AI and accurate CAD models. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. Let me know in the comment section what is your opinion regarding this. Also, you're going to find additional 3D generative AI videos over here on the left. And if you do enjoy this kind of content, you can consider to subscribe. You're going to find the button over here on the right. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.